Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. In this guide, we will review a few easy tools to talk about numbers from 1 to 100 in Spanish. If you're catching a bus, booking a table at a restaurant, or just chatting with a local, knowing the numbers in Spanish is a useful skill that will come in handy in everyday life. Let's get started. Let's start small and build our way up. Here are the first 10 numbers in Spanish. I'll say each one twice. Say them out loud with me, okay? Here we go. Uno, one, uno. Dos, two, dos. Tres, three, tres. Cuatro, four, cuatro. Cinco, five, cinco. Seis, six, seis. Siete, seven, siete. Ocho, eight, ocho. Nueve, nine, nueve. 10, 10, 10. Well done. The first 10 numbers are the foundation of everything, so if you need to, hit pause and review them a few times until you feel natural remembering them. They're very important. All right, seriously, hit pause and review them as many times as you need. Now, let's go from 11 to 20. These ones have their own unique names, so there's a little memorization involved, but they're easier than you think. Numbers from 11 to 15 resemble their equivalents from 1 to 5, but they need to be memorized. Here they are. Say them out loud with me, okay? Here we go. 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. Numbers from 16 to 19 are actually combinations. They go like this: 10, which means 10, plus the connector E, plus the corresponding single digit. So, the number for 16 in Spanish, dieciséis, is literally 10 and 6. It's actually very logical once you see it, right? Now, let's review the numbers from 16 to 19 in Spanish. Say them out loud with me. I want to hear you. Let me start again. 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17. Say them out loud. I can't hear you. 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19. And finally, we have the number for 20, which needs to be memorized as well. Here it is. 20, 20, 20. Next, we need to learn numbers in Spanish by increments of 10. Here's where things get really satisfying, because once you know the tens, you can build almost any number you need. Let's go through the tens from 20 to 100. Say them out loud with me, all right? I want to hear you. 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100, 100. Now, to make numbers in between, such as 35 or 47, you simply combine the corresponding 10 with the single digit using the word y, which means and. For example, the number 35 is like this: treinta, which means 30, y, which means and the number 5, which is cinco, right? So here it goes again: 35, 35, 35. Let's review a few more examples. 47, 40 and 7. 47, 72, which means 70 and 2. 72. See how that works? Once you've got your tens and your 1 to 9, you can count from 20 all the way to 99 just by mixing and matching. It's easy. Give it a try. So let's see. I'm going to ask you a number now. What is 84 in Spanish? Take a moment to think about it. What is 84 in Spanish? Give it a try. I'll wait. Got it? It is ochenta y cuatro. 80 and 4 or 84. Ochenta y cuatro. Let's try another one. What is 48 in Spanish? What's 48 in Spanish? Take a moment to think about it. I'll wait. What's 48 in Spanish? Got it? It is cuarenta y ocho. 40 and 8 or 48. Cuarenta y ocho. Let's try one more. What's 53 in Spanish? Take a moment to think about it. I'll wait. What's 53 in Spanish? Got it? It is cincuenta y tres. 50 and 3 or 53. Cincuenta y tres. We have reviewed the numbers from 1 to 100 in Spanish. If you want to keep learning, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn over 100 common Spanish sentences you can use in everyday life. Go ahead and click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.